My dreams with you beside. I long for you in deep despair. The dawn arrives, I lie awake. I long for you in lonely nights. My strength has left my weary frame. Give our hearts to one another. Cheer rose up to meet the need. Your promises speaks of faithfulness. Promises of faith take root. The space between us shakes the love we share. Lies you chase both joy and guile. My heart decays, my darling. My heart aches from this love's battle. The world grows dim, my darling. A storm is cast because of them. I don't want to hurt further, my baby. For me who loves you, have sympathy. I wear no robes of gold or silk. My face outshines not any man. Yet still I give my love complete.